Hi, Maria hypnotized me in a session and after that sent me an audio which I listened to 21 days. I could release all my stress-related behavior. I felt absolutely better. And how it works. I just listened her gentle voice and drifted to another state of mind where I just remember what I need to remember and forget all those stress-related matters that bothered me. I could sleep better and I was in good humor in the mornings, feeling refreshed and capable of doing my businesses. Good. Greetings, Pia from Scandinavia.